Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Jeep Compass. Stock number is A7147. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, climate control, dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.